If you are a working professional or a college student and are looking for a corporate exposure, you must watch this video before you move ahead to email your boss or for any job application. Let's learn the art of emailing. 1. Have a professional email address. The first thing which any recipient would notice is your email address. So ensure that it is a professional one. Do not have an email ID like abc007@gmail.com or smartyboys@gmail.com. Instead, have a professional email address with your first name and your last name. For example, danielknight@gmail.com. 2. Know what is CC and BCC. Usually, people add almost all the email addresses in the to section. Remember that the to section is for the people whom you are sending the mail to and you expect a reply back from them. You CC the people whom you want the email to reach, but you're not expecting any reply from them back. And BCC would contain the email address of the people who would get the email, but you do not want the to or the CC recipients to know about it. For example, if you are sending an email to a client for product customization, to would be the client, CC would be the product department, and BCC would probably be your legal consultant if you're planning a plot against them. Jokes apart, never ever write all the email addresses in to or CC. Know the difference and be smart enough to use it accordingly. 3. Have a crisp subject line. A subject line should have approximately 8 to 10 words and avoid using words like urgent and important. The recipient might not even open the email if they do not understand what the email is all about once they read the subject. So the subject line should depict what the email contains. 4. The body of the email. The body of the email should be clearly written. It should start with Mr. or Mrs. instead of just mentioning dear ma'am or sir. It makes it look more professional, so you can use Mr., Miss, Mrs. and so on. Always break the email into clear paragraphs and highlight whatever is important. Add the call to action at the end. Last but not the least, add a professional signature block. Add the company logo if possible. If you do not know how to do that, please search on the internet to ensure that you add the logo of your organization. It makes it look much more professional, isn't it? With the right email etiquettes, the impression which the recipient would get once they receive the email would be very positive. This is all for this video. If you want to know more, you can enroll for the resume building and interview prep course on Valuationary from the link given below. If you like this video, do not forget to like and share it. Do subscribe to our channel for regular updates, and you can connect with us on Instagram, Facebook and LinkedIn for regular updates. Till then, keep learning, keep growing, and I will see you in the next video.